day when they join the school, they must receive all these important things. The other very important thing which we do not have is an open house meeting, a PTA meeting, which we have been requesting all through the years of ICSE inception. We have not received any positive feedback regarding that. So there is no way where we can put our feedback across to the management or to the principal or any authorities. So we've been having issues and there is nobody to really listen or do anything. So there is no PTA at all. Another thing is that ICSE schools must have a managing committee consisting of 2 parents from the junior school, say maybe from the first standard to the 5th standard. Again from the 6th to the 10th, 2 parents, that is from the senior section, the ICSE principal and the board members. So we need to have a managing committee which the school does not have right now. We have nothing of that sort. We also do not have a proper examination hall, which is a must. It is compulsory to have a separate examination hall for the ICSE board exam. At the moment, I don't think we have an exclusive hall, which has to be again included in our request. Another few complaints we received is that the teachers keep targeting children when we go and complain against them. Like any complaint that we go and raise with the principal, those children are being very, very badly targeted. They have been singled out and they have been insulted in front of the other children. So this is something very bad which has been happening. It has to be stopped. The other thing is students' grades should be monitored very closely and depending on which teachers should be changed or substituted immediately. This I explained earlier. Punishment for latecomers can be avoided, instead a warning can be given. Not only latecomers, I think any complaints, or anything which the child has not been completing, any homework. I think a lot of parents must be knowing that the children who have been made to stand outside the class, nobody is being benefited by this. Neither the child nor nobody. They are just missing out on the classes. And then probably they are very happy to stand outside the class and while away their time. So this has to be completely eliminated. Collection of notebooks is not being done. There are many children whose books have not been corrected from June onwards, from the beginning of the year. There are a couple of parents here with that complaint. So that has to be monitored very closely, and all the books have to be checked the same day or the next day without fail. No books must be there without corrections. And as I mentioned earlier, there should be separate compound, a library, a sports facility, and also separate timings for ICSE to make things easier for the children and the parents. Because as of now, everything is being shared and it is getting very congested, so we do not enjoy any separate facilities at all. But the fees that we are paying is very high. So these are the suggestions, feedbacks and complaints which we have received, which we are trying to improvise on. So I think that's all I have.